Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Vikas Copy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 31st of July 2024, the last trading day of the month, but not the last trading day of the week. We have week ongoing and month is ending. So today there is FMC also. So there are a lot of things going on today, being Wednesday. First, let me introduce myself. As I told you, my name is Rakesh, and I'm your host here. Please do not confuse me as an employee of Vikas Copy Bank. I'm an independent trader and a technical analyst. I'm just using the YouTube platform to showcase my analysis here, and this is all free of cost. Nothing to be taken in return except if you are kind enough to press that like button. Smash that like button, please. Okay, for me. Thank you in advance. And let me also tell you that we will not be talking about anything that is like news or FMC minutes, and we'll only be talking about the price action, and that too will be based on the candlestick type of charts. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go through all the major currency pairs one by one. And before that, I'll be having a look at the dollar index. Thereafter, I'll be having a look at the gold, Brent, and also a few indexes. Okay. Also, we'll be having a look at the Bitcoin. So we'll judge the price action, what it is trying to do, where it is most likely to get to, and from where it is most likely to reverse. So after all this is done, I'll be taking the questions from the viewers if they have any. And after analyzing their questions and answering them, I will be closing this webinar in next 20 to 30 minutes. So let us make it more interactive. Ask your questions if you have any. If I frame any trade, I'll be doing the trade on the demo account. So this is not a live account. I'm not authorized to trade live here. So this video cannot be seen as a trading advice. This is only for information and knowledge purpose. Please do your due research before you place your real money on the line. This is only for learning purposes. Now, before I begin, I must also show you the standard risk disclaimer that is there. What you can see on your screen is the risk disclaimer, because we are talking about trading on the margin money, that is by the use of leverage. It is not suitable for all. Please understand the risk involved and thereafter only move to the charts. All right, guys, this is the first thing that you have to see if you are trading the forex. What is this first thing? Guys, this is called the dollar index. Dollar index 1-day chart. This is the candle type of chart. From yesterday's bearish pin bar, there is a follow-up today that you can see. The price has made an intraday low of 103.66, and thereafter it has retraced a bit and has tried to manage trade above 103.80. This may be because of some news, but we are not sure. If the price fails to close below 103.80, we can still be bullish on this one. Okay, and we can look for higher prices towards 104.87 in this one. And actually, I am looking for the higher prices. There was this swing. This swing is broken, or this swing say broken. Now, till the time the price doesn't go below this, we cannot be sellers. Okay, so we are only looking for the buying opportunities. You can go on the 1 hour, can draw the channel. When this channel is broken, you can look for the buying opportunities. If you don't want to buy the US dollar, that is okay. You can sell the other currencies against it. Okay, once it breaks out from this, you can look for the buying opportunities again. Now, when I'm saying that you can buy the US dollar, that means you can look for selling the pound. So what does it mean? At the higher prices, when you see the price going close to 1.2860, which is also our zone of resistance, 1.2860, this is the level. Or if you remove this, we have the downswing pivot around 1.2887. You can look for framing your sell trades close to that, but see how the bearish order block is being held here. Or you can say how the bearish order block is getting respected. Now, if the bearish order block is getting respected, don't you think that you should be actually what do you call? So your bearish order block is now you don't know what about the order block, so let's not talk about it. So yes, there is it is a sell on the rise still. First target is 1.2777. So even if I have to sell it, say now, what will I do? I'll place the minimum sell at market and I'll place my stop loss above just yesterday's candle's high, and I'll place my TP at these candle bodies. Okay. And as the price starts moving in my favor, I'll start lowering my stop loss. Well, this is one way of trading from the Major Forex. What is happening in euro, guys? This is also the daily chart of the euro. Clearly, you can see that the price is making lower highs and lower lows. Today, the price went to the fair value gap that it had created on the daily chart and then traded it and got back again. Now, this is another indication that the price is headed lower. It can trade this fair value gaps high, or it can go and trade 1.0710, which is also our target. On the way down, this was the swing low, which the price has already broken, and that's why we said that start looking for selling opportunities, which we are looking for right now. So this is a very clean price action. There is no need to be afraid of this big candle, but although when it would have been here, you would have been afraid. So look for the selling opportunity. Also remember that today's FOMC conference. So please be aware that you don't want to be in any trade during that time because it can take the market both ways. So I'll rather just read the price and not talk about anything that is framing the trades or taking the trades. I'll suggest you that wait for tomorrow or day after to place any trades, or maybe next week. Today you don't have to place any trades here. Okay, for the euro, 1.0870 is the potential resistance if the price goes to this level during the time of FOMC, and the potential support is around 1.0710. Keep also an eye on that. Talking about the Australian dollar, yesterday we have also talked about this, that the falling channel has been taken out. Now, since the falling channel has been taken out, so this is now acting as a resistance. And the potential target is again 0.6465 in this one. This is the first potential target. If the price trades below this, then the next target will be 0.6362. But you see that from this candle, it is looking like that there are buyers for the Australian dollar at the lower levels, whereas at the low for there are no buyers for the euro and there are no buyers for the pound at the lower levels. But yes, there are buyers for the Australian dollar at the lower levels, which are pushing the prices high. Let's see what is happening with the New Zealand dollar. So for New Zealand dollar, there are even more buyers at the lower levels, and they have pushed the price inside that what do you call it, trend line, or say symmetrical triangle that the price had created. Although I am not in favor of this price action, I want the New Zealand dollar to go down and the US dollar to rise. Maybe after I don't know what will be the landscape of this chart after the news are over or after the minutes of meeting are declared. Till yesterday or till today, it was like sell on the rise. Even now, I will say sell on the rise. But what will be the landscape after the FOMC meeting? We are not sure. So we wait for the news to open any trade, and we just assume that the price has reversed from 0.5852 and is looking for, I think, 0.6048, from where nobody has got any chance to mitigate their shorts. If they get a chance to mitigate their longs, so if they get a chance to mitigate their longs, they will be mitigating close to 0.6048. That is what I think. USD CHF, very clean price action. Even today the price has made another lower low, so 0.8730 is still a downside target. Now the potential resistance is the price has made a low here, so this becomes your potential upswing pivot, downswing pivot, 0.8876. When I say downswing pivot, it means when the price is making downswings, if the price breaks this, then this downtrend will be reversed. Okay. USD CAD, we are looking for the buying opportunities. We expected something like this. Okay, we expected a pullback and we are expecting higher prices. 1.3899 is the area that we are looking for an opportunity to book our profits. In fact, we are actually looking for the higher targets like 1.3897 and even 1.3978. And if the price is able to close above this down closing candle, which price has made today, then we can be bullish on this one with the higher targets like 1.3985 also. But for that, maybe we will have to wait, or at least wait for the FMC. What does it do? If it gives you a bullish pin bar here, then you can look for the buying opportunities in this one also. USD JPY. Well, this is a hint what FOMC is going to do. Now, if there would have been, say, buying, a lot of buying over here, okay, I will not, I don't want to actually predict what FOMC is going to do, but look at this price action. This is suggesting that somebody is very eager to go short in the US dollar. Don't you think so? Doesn't it look like that? That somebody is selling the US dollar very fast. Somebody is doing. This is a huge money, 161 to 150. A huge shorting in the US dollar, maybe with the targets of 114 picture. Well, God knows. After FOMC, maybe we can get an idea, but right now we are not getting any idea. Just from the chart or from the candlestick which I read, I can feel that this impact of this news is either going to take the price to 140 somewhere like this, or maybe to 161. Why I'm saying 161? Because if if the news is going to be in the favor of this downtrend, then it's okay. But if it is against the downtrend, that means somebody is accumulating longs here at the cheaper price and will sell short around or book his positions above 161.94. This is my expectation. But I'm not going to trade FOMC either way. Talking about the New Zealand CAD, I think this leg lower was so fast. Now the price is headed higher. On the lower time frames, we talked about it that there is a probability of getting a buying opportunity in the New Zealand CAD. At least Euro CAD, we had a buying opportunity. You see, there was a bullish pin bar, and I said that okay, there is a possibility that if this market structure shifts, we can get a buying opportunity at this. Dun, 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 dun. All this is done. 0.8261 is the potential resistance, which is the high of this green candle, the only green candle that the price has made. Below that, the price can reverse, but if the price is able to close a day above 0.8261, then that will start acting as a support. Bitcoin, after bearish pin bar, there was a follow-up. Today there is an inside bar, so no price action whatsoever for today. But I don't think that this is a selling. Now this is looking like a reaction from this resistance, and this bullish pin bar is still holding, and I think the price will reverse again towards 71,994. Brent today has shown some strength, although this strength also I cannot count because till the time this high is holding, I will just mark that high now. So till the time 82.71 is holding, we cannot be selling this buying this market. Although there is 3% increase today, but still I am bearish on the crude oil with the potential resistance of 82.71, and the target that I am looking for is this 76.66. All right. Gold, I think gold, we talked about the gold. We should only be looking for the selling opportunities in this one right now. But if the price is able to manage a close or trade above 2432.235, then we can start looking for the buying opportunity. We are looking for the selling opportunity. Why? Because this down move has not been mitigated, or say this downswing pivot has not been traded. If this downswing pivot gets traded, we become an upswing. Okay. Nikkei has seen a higher high than this previous high that the price had made, although we are still looking for selling opportunities in this one because of this bearish fair value gap. It was traded twice, the price failed to manage a close below. All this price action is suggesting lower prices in the future. All this price action is suggesting the lower prices in the future. But if you say that, okay, I have to open a buy position, when can I open a buy position? So you have to go above this green candle 40 2 to 0 for us to become buyers in this market. Otherwise, there is no probability of buying. Why I'm saying so, guys? You might be thinking, oh, who will wait for such a price action? Guys, you have to wait. If you want, you have to wait. So till now, there is nothing. Price has to go above 42.20, then only you can look for buying up. It's no. Euro JPY. This is a simple market. I was shouting from here, sell on the rise, sell on the rise, sell on the rise. And yes, we have finally seen candle closing, not candle closing, but trading below 164.02. So long-term down move is possible. Just wait for the FOMC. If the price action remains the same even after the news is over, then you can look for the selling opportunities, because I'm expecting the landscape to change after FOMC. Something is going to happen today. GBPAUD. Well, it tried to rise but got sold off. That means Australian dollar is strong now and the pound is not. So what can we expect? We can expect 1.9479 to hold as a support. If it doesn't hold, then the price can go even higher than this 1.9809. But I am not expecting this to hold as a support, and that too is an event based condition. Right now, it looks like the market is heavy on the higher side and it is looking for the lower possible targets. CHHJPY, all the targets to the downside taken. The price even traded this sell side liquidity. Now the next target is 167.30 in this one. Audi New Zealand, bearish market structure break, and now you can be looking for the selling opportunities in this one at every rise. Audi New Zealand, I am saying it again. This fair value gap was traded by this candle, and there is a breakdown. That means now every rise should be seen as a selling opportunity in the Audi New Zealand. Okay, what are the targets? This 1.0979 is taken. Now next target is 1.0907 and thereafter 1.0849. Gas consolidating, nothing here, no price action, guys, no price action. After yesterday's bullish pin bar, there is no price action. Euro CAD. Now this Euro CAD is going down maybe because of the euro falling, and we can be sellers in this market now because the market structure is broken. Okay, no, there is no market structure break. We cannot take this candle as the low. We have to take this candle as the low because it has traded the fair value gap. So yeah, the low is 1.4918. Here the low was 49182. Here the low was 4919. So the low, this low has not traded the horizontal line that we have traded shown here. Till the time this is holding, we cannot be a seller in this one. So that's all, guys, from my side. If you have any question, please feel free to ask me. All right, guys, I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels that will be of interest in the coming hours and days. Just remember to only risk less than 1% of your capital on any single trade, and try to look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. If you do it consistently, you will be profitable in the long run. That is not a guarantee, but there is a fair amount of chance that it will happen. With this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section and consider subscribing if you are new here. Have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow at 1700 GMT. Bye bye. Take care.